So welcome to the July edition of the top 3 movie streaming websites, which are all 100% free, 100% legal, and don't require any kind of registration. Now, I've already activated my VPN just for my own privacy and protection. It really is essential to use a VPN when accessing streaming content like this. If you're on the same VPN I'm using, just drop a comment below and I'll send you my special discount code. Now do check all of these websites every month. If any of them stop working or start requiring registration, I'll then remove them from the next update. So the first one in today's list is the brand new updated tdoctoruk.com. Now you can see directly on the homepage, they just have one of the largest libraries of movies and TV shows. And they now also have live TV you can access in all parts of the world. So here we can see the different genres, everything from most popular, black storytelling, you got some reality TV, you got recently added action, Tubi originals, comedy, horror, sci-fi. They really do have something for everyone. So for a quick test, let's try this one over here. Let's click on that. Very popular film, it's got Matt Damon in there. I can click on play. And you can see now in less than a few seconds, that movie starts streaming straight away. I can forward that a bit. And we can see that's working absolutely fine. Let's go back. Now at the top we can see we've got sections for your TV shows, for live TV, for Spanish content, Tubi Kids. Let's go to TV shows. And now you can see some very, very popular TV shows, which are all available for you to watch. So again, you've got all the favorite genres. Let's try this one over here. Let's click on that. And you can see now it's not just one episode, one show. With every series, you get all of the episodes, all of the seasons that you can go ahead and enjoy. So here we can see in the drop down, you have season 1. Let's try a random season 12. Try the first episode. And again, you can see in less than 5 seconds, that starts streaming straight away. So really just a great website with a superb, massive library of both movies and TV shows. And you also have live TV if you're interested in that. So that's the first one in today's list, which is tubitv.com. Now, many people don't know, but YouTube actually offer a large library of free movies and TV shows that you can access directly from the browser. As you can see on my device, I'm on youtube.com and I have a dedicated section on the left, which is called Movies and TV. I can click on that. And we can see here we have a section for free with ads. So let's click on that. And just like that, guys, we now have access to all of these movies directly on YouTube that you can go ahead and watch with just one click without really any issues whatsoever. So here we can see the popular Matrix. I can click on that and you can see in the background that starts streaming straight away. And as this is youtube.com, you're not going to have any issues with buffering or stuttering. You really can go ahead and enjoy all of this content on all of your devices. And we can see that's working absolutely fine. Let's go back a bit. You can see they've got your favorite genres like drama, like sci-fi, like thriller, comedy, horror, animation, just lots and lots of different things, all directly available on youtube.com. Now the next one on the list is justwatch.com. Now this is what you call an all-in-one movie TV show aggregator, where it just brings in the best content available from lots of different services, including many free ones. So we can see directly on the homepage, I can click on discover movies and TV shows. I can now click on where it says price. Let's now click on free. This will now filter out all of the content and show you all of the media available, which is absolutely free. So you can see, guys, lots of very, very popular content, different movies, different TV shows. Let's say, for example, we're interested in this Mad Men. Let's click on that. And we can now see all of these free services offering the same content. So let's try Pluto TV. I can click on this link here. This will now take me directly to that website and it should automatically load that content for me. And we can see in a couple of seconds, it's done exactly that. Super easy to use. Browse all of your favorite TV shows or movies, one click, and you can go ahead and enjoy all of that content. Now, before we continue, let me just quickly share this QR code that if you are looking for a fantastic offer for a ridiculously fast VPN, stay safe online, change your IP address, access geo-locked content, protect your privacy, you definitely want to go ahead and scan this QR code for a superb discount. The next one in the list is Zoomer Play. Now this is just a phenomenal website, also available as an application, just has hundreds of live TV channels, but also a large library of movies and TV shows. Now we see directly on the homepage, I can click on free movies. You can see, guys, just pages and pages of content all properly categorized, that you can enjoy on all of your devices. Here, for example, we have this one here. Let's click on that. Click on play. And again, in a couple of seconds, that starts streaming straight away. That's working absolutely fine. That's in the movie section. Let's go back. So different genres, different categories, lots of great content. The next one on the list is Sling FreeStream. So just a fantastic service. You can see directly on the homepage, they offer more than 600 free channels, but they also have a very large section for movies and TV shows. So let's click on Stream Free. I can now click on Demand. And here we have it, guys. You've got movies, TV shows, and even a dedicated kids section. So let's scroll down. So again, all your favorite genres, comedies, reality, cartoons, horror, classic, family, game shows, paranormal. Let's try this one over here. Click on that, one click, and we are taken instantly into that content. And that starts streaming straight away. I can forward that a bit, just to show you that it's working absolutely fine. That's working great. Let's back out of that. Let's click on TV shows. That's working great. So that's the next one on the list, which is Sling FreeStream. The next one on the list is Plex. Now, Plex is just a phenomenal application and website and service, allowing you to catalog your home movies, home TV shows, all of your different videos. But we're interested in the free movies and TV shows. Let's click on that. And you can see, guys, literally just one click and you're straight into the jam-packed library of lots of free content. All your favorite genres are here again. Binge-worthy shows, recently added, best of the West. Let's try this one over here. Click on play. That's working absolutely fine. So that's the next one on the list, which is plextv.com. The next one we have in the list is popcornflix.com. So again, super easy to use website, lots of great content directly on the homepage. We can see new arrivals, we can see action, prime TV picks, pulse pounding thrills. Let's try one of these. Let's try this one over here. Click on that. You can see, guys, no messing about, no waiting, just one click, and we are taken straight into the action. That's working flawlessly. Let's go to movies. We can now see a large library of movie content, all properly categorized, that you can enjoy with one click. So that's the next one on the list, which is popcornflix.com. The next one we have on the list is foursome.tv. Again, very easy to use, very easy to navigate. Directly on the homepage, you can access all of the different genres. So if I'm interested in action, let's click on that. This will then filter out the content and show me all of the free action movies that I can access directly on here. So let's try this one over here. Very popular movie. You see, guys, in a couple of seconds, no waiting around, and I'll start streaming straight away. That's working absolutely fine. Let's go back to movies. Just pages and pages of content available that you can enjoy on all of your devices directly from its website. Let's try one of these. Let's try this one over here. Super fast, one click, and you are instantly taken to that content. That's working absolutely fine. And they also have a Spanish section as well if you're interested in that. So that's the next one on the list, which is foursome.tv. Then we have one of the OGs, Pluto.tv. Now this application probably started was one of the earliest applications to offer free ad-supported TV. It just has a superb library of movies, TV shows, and a very, very large library of live TV content. Let's click on demand, and you can now see all of the content in here. So again, very popular content, all properly categorized. You have comedy, drama, crime, horror, classic, black collective, staff picks, and you can just see it's just pages and pages of content. Let's try one of these. Let's try this one over here. Click on watch now, and you can see in a couple of seconds we are taken straight into that content. That's working absolutely fine. You can just see, guys, just so much content, so many popular movies, so many popular TV shows that you can enjoy on all of your devices. And you can see, guys, because we clicked on something, I now have a continue watching section where I can continue watching where I left off. So great feature, again, without requiring any kind of sign up, any kind of sign in. You can go ahead and enjoy all of this great content across all of your devices. They need to mention that some of these websites will do a check to see, are you watching from a supported region? And the way they do that is they check your IP address. Now I'm based in the UK and I'm just using a VPN to set my location to New York. And with that location, I can unlock all of the content shown in the video today. If you're looking for the best way and the easiest way to change your location, to protect your privacy, to stay safe online, using a VPN really is the best and easiest way to do that. I've been using this for more than, I think, 5 years now. I have tried other VPNs during that time. I think I tried Nord for a bit, I tried Surfshark for a bit, I tried Express for a bit, but ultimately I always come back to IPVanish because it just gives me that consistent performance. It allows me to access all of the applications I want to access and works great on all of my devices because they give you those unlimited connections. So one account, you can install it on 10 Fire Sticks, 5 laptops, 300 TVs, really as many devices as you like. So that kind of flexibility and that amazing price point, which you can see here for just over $2 a month, it really is a fantastic offer. Using my link does help support the channel, so many thanks for doing that. And again, at this price point, it's definitely worthwhile checking out. So really appreciate your support. Do like and share this video, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.